Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. Today I want to talk to you about bleeding gums. Let me start by saying that it's never normal to have bleeding gums. If your gums bleed while you floss or brush, it's not okay. They only bleed when they are unhealthy. If there is an infection or an inflammation, then it would cause the gums to bleed. There are some health conditions which cause gums to bleed, such as leukemia or certain other cancers, but most of the time it is an infection in the gums which you might not even know is there. It is causing inflammation and causing the gums to bleed. If it is not addressed on time and taken care of properly, it can have drastic effect on your immune system, and it can lead to tooth decay and even tooth loss. So bleeding gums have to be stopped. There are certain things that you have to do. Flossing. Flossing is so important for the health of your gums in general. There are other things that you can do to stop the bleeding of the gum and from prevent it from happening in the first place is salt and baking soda concoction. You can use it in two ways. You can either mix half teaspoon of each and brush your teeth with it like a tooth powder, or you can mix half teaspoon of each in half a cup of water and gargle with it for a few minutes like a mouthwash. So both are very effective ways of treating your bleeding gums. You can also use hydrogen peroxide as a rinse. It will help regulate the pH in your mouth and eliminate infection. You can mix 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide with equal amount of water and gargle with it. Use it daily until you begin to see results. Another thing you can do which really helps your overall oral health is clove. Cloves are commonly used as a spice and are very beneficial for your oral health. Clove essential oil works like magic in relieving pain or swelling in the gums. Rinsing with clove tea just a few times can stop bleeding gums and even treat bad breath. All you have to do is boil 7 to 10 cloves in 2 cups of water while covered. You can also use clove powder if you don't have whole cloves. In this case, you will take 1 tablespoon of clove powder for 2 cups of water. Boil it while covered for about 5 minutes and then let it cool. Keep it covered so all the essential oils settle back into the water. Store it in a bottle and rinse your mouth with it daily, twice a day, for up to 2 months at a time. And then you should give your gums a break and then restart again like after a week or so. It might give you a feeling of numbness in your gums, but that's okay. There's nothing to worry about. Okay, gargle for up to 2 minutes at a time, and that should do the trick. Lastly, I would recommend rinsing your mouth with lemon and salt mixed in water. You can take half a lemon or lime and 1 teaspoon of salt, mix it in half a cup of water and swish it around in your mouth. Doing this regularly works as a preventive method against developing bacteria or infections. It also naturally bleaches your teeth, keeps them shiny, and prevents bad breath. Last but not least, I would recommend you change your toothbrush often. Disinfect it weekly if possible. Simplest way of doing it is dipping it in boiling water for a minute, or if you use electric toothbrush, some of them come with UV sanitizers, which is also a very good option. If you have had bad luck finding a suitable brush, I would recommend exploring the option of toothsticks. Toothsticks are natural, the bristles are soft, and it contains healthy nutrients and essential oils from the tree. And it's highly effective in treating many gum diseases. I have done a whole article on toothsticks and how to find the right one for you. Make sure you check it out on my website. I will provide the link below in the About section of this video. If you have tried these methods for a couple of weeks and the problem persists, then you should visit a dentist to rule out any deeper underlying conditions. Let me know what method works best for you by leaving your comments in the comment section below. You can check out my website for more interesting content on natural dental care in general. I will see you next time. Make sure to share the video and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.